The number of black students starting Harvard Law School this fall has hit a 60-year low. That means the number of black freshmen at Harvard Law is at about the same level it was when the Civil Rights Act of 1964 was passed. The drop comes after a Supreme Court decision ended race-based admissions. NBC 10's Malcolm Johnson joins us from Harvard with reaction from students and the university. Malcolm, this seems like it could have an impact on the fairness of our justice system across the United States.
I think that's a fair assessment to make, Glenn. There have generally been between 50 to 70 black students in Harvard's first-year law class, but this fall, it was only 19.
For me, it was a dream to be I did not even think that I could go to an institution like this.
Attending Harvard Law School is a major milestone for students. Some of the nation's most prominent black lawyers, including the Obamas, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson.
I had a wonderful colleague when I worked at the Legal Defense Fund.
And former Governor Deval Patrick are all graduates.
Maybe we'll be those people. Who knows? You never know.
But this fall, only 19 black students entered, following last year's Supreme Court decision ending race-based admissions. It's the lowest number since the 1960s, according to the American Bar Association.
Being the only face you see in a class or one of a couple is a huge difference for first years in their actual experience.
I have felt the lack of diversity and the lack of black and brown faces on this campus, since the middle of August.
The limited amount of black students in law school in general or professional schools, you're going to have a bigger proportion just by going here because it's a bigger school. And now our school is still big, but there's just less black people, so it's just strange.
A spokesperson with the law school says the conclusions that can be drawn from 1 year of data are necessarily limited. We continue to believe that a student body composed of persons with a wide variety of backgrounds and experiences is a vital component of legal education.
It's definitely noticeable, and it's something that I think the university in the future will probably account for, and hopefully next year we can have more Hispanic and black students.
And Hispanic students are also noticing the decline as their enrollment, JC and Glenn, has gone down to 39 from 63. We are reporting at Harvard University. I'm Malcolm Johnson, NBC 10 Boston.